You lift your phone, angle the camera, smile, and snap. One image. Millions of tiny edits, filters, and decisions later, you upload a version of yourself meant to look perfect. Self-portraiture is centuries old. Artists painted themselves to explore identity. The selfie made that impulse instant and social. Front-facing cameras, filters, and platforms turned private self-portraits into public performance. By the time filters and AR tools arrived, selfie was no longer just a photo. It became a curated identity. A technical truth you can't unsee: a phone selfie is not a neutral mirror. Focal length, lens proximity, and angle distort faces. Close lenses exaggerate features. Wide angles make noses look larger and faces rounder. Filters add another layer, smoothing, reshaping, reshuffling features in milliseconds. That visual mismatch is the first seed of confusion about what you really look like. Now, selfies are not inherently bad. They can be tools of self-expression, memory-making, and community. People use selfies to explore identity, to feel seen, and to build belonging, especially marginalized groups who can claim their image and tell their stories. For some creators, selfie practice becomes a craft, a way to control narrative and build confidence. When used intentionally, selfies can strengthen connection rather than weaken it. But there's a darker side. When value is measured in likes and features are reshaped by filters, two things happen. Comparisons become unfair, and perception warps. Clinicians now call the phenomenon selfie dysmorphia. Patients seek cosmetic procedures to look like edited versions of themselves, and young people report increased body dissatisfaction after extended exposure to edited images. This is not alarmism. It's an observed shift in perception and well-being. So what do? The goal isn't to ban selfies, it's to change the relationship. Here are 5 practical steps, small, repeatable, human, that reclaim authorship over your image. Number 1, audit your feed. Look for patterns. Who makes you feel uplifted versus drained? Unfollow to curate your mental ecology. Number 2, know the optics. Remember, selfies distort. A short camera lesson, angle plus distance, removes self-blame. Number 3, practice unfiltered posts. Try posting 1 unedited image per week. It's an experiment in authenticity. Number 4, diversify sources of worth. List 3 abilities or acts today that you value outside appearance. Number 5, get professional help if needed. If image concerns feel obsessive, reach out to a mental health professional. The perfect selfie is a myth born of optics, social pressure, and algorithmic reward. But the authentic selfie, the one that reflects curiosity, joy, or a real moment, is powerful. If you want to start, try one of our 5 steps this week. Audit, learn the optics, post 1 unfiltered image, diversify your worth, and ask for help if needed. In the end, be the author of your image, not the algorithm. If this resonates with you, click the like button, share, and subscribe for more deep insights. Verus Mundial. Everyday truths that matter.